Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video, where we will discuss 6 psychological reasons you don't feel confident. Confidence is a crucial trait that helps you achieve success in every area of your life. However, many people struggle with low self-confidence, which can lead to anxiety, self-doubt, and even depression. In this video, we will explore 6 psychological reasons why you may be lacking confidence. And we will provide some practical tips to help you overcome these challenges and boost your self-confidence. One of the most significant reasons people struggle with low self-confidence is negative self-talk. Negative self-talk is the voice inside your head that criticizes and judges you. It can take many forms, such as self-doubt, self-criticism, and self-sabotage. Negative self-talk can be so powerful that it can become a self-fulfilling prophecy, leading to a lack of confidence and even depression. So, what can you do to overcome negative self-talk? Start by identifying the negative thoughts and replacing them with positive affirmations. For example, if you catch yourself saying, "I'm not good enough," replace it with, "I am worthy and capable." Also, practice self-compassion and kindness to yourself, as this can help to counteract the effects of negative self-talk. Another common psychological reason for low self-confidence is the fear of failure. Many people believe that failure is a reflection of their inadequacy, which can cause them to avoid taking risks or trying new things. However, this fear of failure can be a self-fulfilling prophecy, as it can prevent you from experiencing success and personal growth. To overcome the fear of failure, try reframing your mindset to view failure as an opportunity to learn and grow. Remember that failure is a natural part of the learning process, and every successful person has experienced failures along the way. Also, practice taking small risks and celebrating your successes, no matter how small they may be. The third psychological reason for low self-confidence is comparison. In today's society, it's easy to fall into the trap of comparing yourself to others. Especially with social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. However, comparison can be a dangerous game that can lead to feelings of inadequacy, jealousy, and even depression. To overcome the comparison trap, start by recognizing that everyone has their own unique journey and timeline. Focus on your own progress and accomplishments, and celebrate your successes, no matter how small they may be. Also, practice gratitude and appreciate what you have in your life, rather than focusing on what you lack. Perfectionism is another common psychological reason for low self-confidence. Perfectionists have high standards for themselves and often feel like they are failing if they don't meet those standards. This can lead to self-criticism, self-doubt, and even anxiety. To overcome perfectionism, start by setting realistic goals and expectations for yourself. Remember that perfection is impossible, and striving for it can lead to burnout and stress. Instead, focus on progress, not perfection, and celebrate your accomplishments, no matter how small they may be. The fifth psychological reason for low self-confidence is a lack of boundaries. People who struggle with boundaries often say yes to everything and everyone, leading to burnout and exhaustion. This can lead to a lack of confidence and self-esteem, as you may feel like you don't have control over your life. To overcome a lack of boundaries, start by setting clear boundaries and learning to say no when necessary. Remember that saying no doesn't make you a bad person, and it is important to prioritize your own needs and well-being. Also, practice self-care and prioritize activities that recharge your batteries and help you feel more confident and energized. The final psychological reason for low self-confidence is past trauma or negative experiences. Trauma can have a significant impact on a person's self-confidence, as it can lead to feelings of shame, guilt, and unworthiness. This can be especially true if the trauma was related to a person's appearance, abilities, or skills. To overcome the impact of past trauma or negative experiences, seek support from a mental health professional or support group. Remember that healing from trauma takes time and patience, and it's okay to seek help from others. Also, practice self-compassion and kindness to yourself, as you navigate the healing process. In conclusion, there are many psychological reasons why you may be lacking confidence. However, by recognizing these challenges and practicing self-compassion, setting realistic goals, and seeking support, you can overcome these obstacles and boost your self-confidence. Remember that confidence is a journey, and it takes time and effort to build. But with practice and patience, you can become more confident and achieve success in every area of your life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.